Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. With the iPhone mirroring app now installed on your Mac, you can effortlessly connect and use your iPhone from your Mac. It's not just about using your iPhone, you can also drag and drop images, videos and documents to boost your workflow and productivity. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and use this feature. You need to make sure that your iPhone is updated to iOS 18 and your Mac to macOS Sequoia. Then make sure both devices have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth turned on, and both devices should be near each other and signed into the same Apple account. If you are not signed in on the same Apple ID on both devices, you will not be able to use this feature. Also, make sure the Handoff feature is enabled on both the devices. On your Mac, you can find this in the system settings. In here, go to General and scroll down and go to the option AirDrop and Handoff. Here, make sure that allow handoff between this Mac and your iCloud devices toggled on. On your iPhone, go to Settings, then go to General and AirPlay and Continuity. In here, make sure handoff is toggled on. These are all the settings related to iPhone mirroring. Now go to your Mac and open the app iPhone mirroring. So you can find the mirroring app on the dock, or you can find it in the launchpad. You can search for iPhone mirroring, or you can search it on Spotlight search by pressing Command and space bar and search for the app iPhone mirroring. There you go. So open the app. Once you have opened the app, you will see here the first time window that tells you what you can do with this feature. Just click continue. Now enter the passcode on your iPhone. So on your Mac here, it says allow notification from iPhone. You can allow notification to appear in the notification center on your Mac even when the mirroring is not in use. This is really useful, so let me enable it by clicking allow, and iPhone mirroring is ready to use. So you are all set. When your iPhone is nearby, you can seamlessly use iPhone right from the desktop. So click get started. Here you need to enter your Mac's password. So not your iPhone's password, make sure you enter the password of your Mac that you use to log in. Let me type it. It's connecting. So here it says iPhone is in use. iPhone mirroring will connect when iPhone is no longer in use. So make sure your iPhone is locked. There you go. Now you can use your iPhone on your Mac just as how you normally would. So here all your apps. You can do pretty much everything you can do on your phone. You can go into the apps and check photos, and you can check your WhatsApp. You can read your emails, and you can scroll through. You can pretty much do everything that you could do on your phone. And here you can view all the open apps, and you can click here to go to the menu if you are stuck somewhere. So if you play a video or music on your iPhone, it plays through your Mac's speaker. You can also put the home screen icons on jiggle mode and delete them if you want to. The best part is that if you go to Photos app, you can simply drag and drop any photos or videos from your phone directly to your Mac, just like this. And also you can just drag and drop documents from your Files app, just like this, into your Mac. To disconnect it, you can simply close the mirroring app on your Mac. And if you want to remove the Mac computer from your mirroring, you can simply do it on your phone. So all you need to do is just go to Settings on your iPhone and go to General and go to AirPlay and Continuity, and here select the option iPhone mirroring and simply tap Edit and delete it off, or you can just swipe it and delete it off. Now if you go to iPhone mirroring app on your Mac, you need to set it up again. So that's all for this video guys. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment if you have any questions. Please also subscribe to the channel if you like to keep yourself updated on Mac and iOS features.